I hired a UX UI designer on Figma to build out one of my app ideas. So the idea that I was trying to build was I bought a list of emails from Upwork. I think the email list had close to like 30 or 40 million different emails. And this is across the States, UK, Canada, and a bunch of other countries.
No way. I'm getting hacked.
And I wanted to create a piece of software that you can search through this list and build your own targeted email list, because the data set had fields like job, industry, company name, number of years of experience, I don't know, what job title, bunch of different data points, location. So imagine you're like looking for all software engineers across Canada. It's actually very similar to LinkedIn. It might even be a dump of a LinkedIn database. That's what it looks like, the data at least. And yeah, I bought this data and I want to filter through this data and sell a smaller list. And let's say like, I don't know, I sell a list of 10,000 emails. I can charge anywhere between like $400 or $500. And if I constantly sell that to different customers in different bases, like let's say you're running a pet food store and you want to target all pet food vendors across the States, and then you download a list of 20,000 emails. You pay me $1,000, you go to the site, and then you download your list, and you can refine your list, you can make different queries. That's the whole premise. So I found a bunch of competitors, and then I also came up with a PowerPoint Google slide of like the different screens that I want. And then I think I got quoted something around $700 or $800 Canadian, which is about like $500 or $600 US. These are the results. I'm going to show you guys in just a second. The set of instructions that I gave was overall vague, but like enough detail to like visualize what I want. And then also the examples of existing competitors, I put screenshots into the slide. So again, the whole process was quite straightforward. And like for that price, $700, if I had to go in and build this design out myself and I had to go learn Figma, maybe it would have taken me a day or two. Like let's say my working day is 8 hours times 2, 16 hours, and my hourly rate is about $100 an hour. So this would probably cost me around almost close to $2,000. And then if I hired a full-time designer, it might have cost something around $2,000, depending on how long they take. It's significantly cheaper, and I will show you the quality right now, and you guys decide if it's up to par. So here, they gave me the Figma link. I think you can access the Figma link. I don't care. You guys can copy this idea if you want. You don't have the email list to rebuild it out. But yeah, so this is the landing page. It's called T-List. Landing page, show you proven results for 30,000 customers, an about us section, our pricing model, testimonials, and product page. So it's pretty straightforward in a footer. So again, not bad design. Again, there's like some detail like this is coming out, but again, those are small stuff. For the price you're paying, it's quite cheap. Then once you sign up, we want first name, last name, email, country, password. That's it. Pretty straightforward. One-time password code. This is assuming we use some sort of two-factor authentication or verification. Once you're signed up, go to the congratulations page and then the login page. And once you're logged in, this is the product dashboard where you can search. I don't know what the search bar here is for. Actually, that's a good comment. Maybe it goes to the search page, but yeah, I'll probably remove it in the actual product. But if you look at the credit page, it's pretty straightforward. How many export credits you have, email and phone credits, and then what your plan is. So maybe we're gonna do like some sort of $50 a month minimum plan to use the product and then buy credits, or we'll just do credit only. And then you can add your team members if we add a team functionality, which for launch MVP probably won't. And then this is a screen to buy more credits, pretty straightforward. Choose your payment method. You're about to purchase 10K mails for $50. Card payment, again, this will all be done through Stripe. So I don't really need the designs for that, but it's good to have some sort of branding there. So we make it look legitimate. Payment successful. And then this is the actual product page where you search essentially the title you're looking for. And then you can search by email domain, type of industry, experience, enter location. And then maybe this filter button would expand out to more filters. So overall, pretty straightforward product. I'd say this design is also quite simple to build out. I think that these designers on Fiverr will struggle with more complicated projects. But since our project is just an MVP, I think Fiverr is great, Upwork is great, and you can get quite a lot of work done for a little bit of money. And also, you don't have to have everything hashed out. You don't have to spoon feed them. A lot of them are actually pretty smart people, and they can figure stuff out on their own as long as you give them somewhere to start. That's it. That's my UX UI design that I hired on Fiverr. If you ever go on Fiverr and you're looking for people, make sure you do your due diligence, look at their reviews, look at the other products that they deliver, and the price has to be reasonable. So constantly message multiple Fiverr employees. I don't know what to call them. Fiverr freelancers. Contact multiple freelancers before you make a decision, and ask them for their price and try to negotiate, because a lot of these people will put in 30 to 40% higher than what they actually are charging just to see, and most people will just pay it. They won't even negotiate. So you should negotiate. You can get it down to almost 30 to 40% cheaper. I've gotten it down to like 50% cheaper in some situations. And a lot of these people like need the work, so you're helping and supporting them as well at the same time. Like these guys are freelancers in third world countries where money is harder to make and the economy is significantly different, so you're helping them out. And they're smart human beings. Like, they know design in and out. They do it every day. It's their full-time job. It would be better for somebody who does design every single day than for me to go and learn how to do design. And it's not even a good use of my time. It's not a good use of my skills. And also, I just don't want to have to constantly jump between different things. That's what causes burnout. I'd rather focus on what I can achieve and what I am good at, which is developing software, which is managing and directing the focus and product. And I don't want to do XUI design, so I paid someone $800, saved me 2 days of work. And for me to make $800 is much easier than for them to make $800. So let them do the hard work. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.